So number 14, again, we're going to be finding three equations that all represent the same circle. So let's go through and first of all decide which is not a circle. A is a circle, so that's going to be one of our equations. B is a parabola, not going to use it because it has x squared and y. C could be a circle. D is some type of limacon. E doesn't make a circle because it doesn't have cosine and sine. So our three equations are A, C, and F. And let's just check to make sure they all make the same circle. So starting with A. A is a circle oriented in the vertical direction because it says sine. So if I were to graph it, here's the pole, there's the polar axis, and it's going straight up and down. And it's at its furthest point away from the pole, 14 units. So it's 14 units away from the pole. The radius is half of that, which is 7, and the center is halfway in between the two endpoints, so it'll be at 0, 7, because it's going up and down. So the x-coordinate is 0, the y-coordinate is 7. Now let's check C. We have to put this into standard form. So we're going to complete the square by adding some value. And so to complete the square, you take half of the middle term and square it. Half of negative 14 is negative 7, squared is 49. You're allowed to add 49 to the left side, so long as you add to the right side. Now we can factor, and two numbers that multiply to 49 and add to negative 14, they're both going to be minus 7. All conics equal 1, so we're going to divide everything by 49, and that's going to give us x squared over 49 plus y minus 7 squared over 49 equals 1. So we can see the radius is 7 because 7 squared gives us those denominators, and the center is at 0, positive 7, which is the same as A. So the last thing we need to compare then is F. F has a radius of 7 because the coefficients are 7 both times. And then the center are the numbers that are being added. Nothing's being added for the x equation, so it's 0. 7 is being added for the y equation, so it's 0, 7. And so we see now that A, C, and F all match. They all make equations of the same circle. A is a polar equation, so it's going to go in this box. C is a rectangular equation because it only has x and y. And F is the parametric equation because it has t in it.